Hello and welcome to Phuket. Today I'm here with Mermaid Cat. She's going to teach us how to be mermaids and mermen. Now how easy is it?
Is it easy, I think?
Oh, alright. Cat, so you've gotten us into details, we've splashed around a little bit, but there's a lot more to this mermaiding. What are some of the major factors to becoming a mermaid?
So, to become a mermaid is not just getting into a mermaid tail and smile and be a pretty girl in a mermaid tail. A big focus on my mermaid workshops is about being an ambassador of the ocean. So the mermaid students, mermaids and mermen, they learn many facts about the ocean environment, a lot of problems about the ocean like pollution, overfishing, shark finning and all those kind of stuff. Because I want them to know it, I want them to understand them, so that they can be role models and bring this message out to the people.
I thought it was really interesting. You talk a lot about becoming a professional mermaid and the events you do. And you were talking about choosing, not taking any event. Tell me a little more about that.
Yeah, for example, I got a lot of job offers to do mermaid shows in marine parks where they have dolphins, for example. I know that during the selection process of international marine parks, about 20,000 dolphins get killed every year. And my mermaid students know the same things now, so if they get requests from marine parks like this, they should choose about which kind of jobs they're taking. I mean, if they're working on some nice events in hotels in this area, or if they work on kids' birthday parties, so there's nothing against that. But I want them to think about for what kind of jobs they put themselves out, if they really want to promote things where they know that thousands of animals get slaughtered for.
In addition to being ambassadors to the ocean, you talk a lot about your mermaids and now mermen being role models. What do you think about that?
Yeah, they should act as role models actually all the time. They should live their own lives like this. For example, to stop using plastic bags, yeah, because there's a plastic patch in the Pacific Ocean that has twice the size of Texas already. And about 1 million seabirds, 100,000 sea mermaids and uncountable fish die every year because of plastic. So if just one person stops using plastic bags, it's around 300 plastic bags less per year already that can get into the ocean environment. On the other side, I want them to educate the people. If they're on events or whatever, kids' birthday parties, they should try to use this time to give tips to educate the people.
Now, also, one of the things, I think, do you get a lot of criticism for this, and they're just thinking it is just pretty girls and one dude in tails versus, I mean, what you guys are really doing here?
So yeah, the funny thing is when I tell people I'm a professional mermaid, some of them are just smiling or looking down at me and think like, so what do you think, you're like Barbie or something? And then, yeah, but when I start telling them about what I really do, that I can swim 20-meter steps on a single breath, that I can hold my breath for over 3 minutes, they actually, yeah, stop talking and laughing and start listening. And
right.
Then they are really fascinated about the things I'm doing. I'm not just teaching mermaid workshops, swimming on events. I also swim in the ocean with amazing creatures like whale sharks, manta rays, all kind of stuff. And I just love it.
Well, I'm excited to become part of it. Why don't we go for a swim?
Yeah, let's go.
We just finished your first course, or I guess it was your second course doing this. What was the most difficult part about being a mermaid for you?
Well, it's the first time I'm wearing the mono thing. It's difficult to control, but I'll try it.
And you had an incredible breath hold. Over 3 minutes, right? That was insane. And for you, what was the most difficult part?
For me, it's more difficult. It's like to control my breath, to hold my breath longer underwater, and try to do swim with the mermaids like as I can. Yeah.
Alright, well last time you ended up as a bronze mermaid, now you're coming up as a silver probably?
Yes, yes. I do much better than before.
Excellent, congratulations.
I'm so happy.
I thank you both so much. Let's go for a little swim.
Sure.
Yesterday we were in the pool at Adam and Ocean Safaris. Now we're here at Aosan, I guess kind of more your natural element. Tell me a little bit about what the plan is for today.
So after the theory class and the pool session yesterday, all this hard training, today is a little bit more relaxed. We have some modeling training in a mermaid tail first on land because many people just, if they see you as a mermaid somewhere on a beach, they just want to take photos of you, and to move and to pose in a mermaid tail is actually really hard because your legs are tied together in this mermaid tail, and even like posing on a slippery rock can be very hard. So we have this until lunchtime, and after this we're gonna jump in the water. We have some free water training and some underwater modeling training, and I'm pretty sure the girls, the mermaids, mermen will be very exhausted after this session.
Sure, well I hope it's fun.
I'm pretty sure it will be.